In this exam application tutorial, we're looking at energy transfer in reactions. The question for 3 marks: explain in terms of bonds and energy what is meant by the term exothermic reaction. The translation is: how are bonds broken, what happens when bonds form, and relate these two ideas to exothermic reactions. So an exothermic reaction is one which releases more energy when forming bonds to make the products than is needed to break the bonds in the reacting molecules. So we can see here we have reacting molecules and they're held together by bonds. Now we need to increase the energy level to break those bonds. So we need to input some energy here. So by doing that, the bonds start to vibrate, and when they get to a certain level, it's enough to break the bonds. So I've put this much energy into the reactants to break the bonds. So this is how much energy was needed. Now, as these molecules react and form new bonds, energy is released. So you can see that they're breaking, and now they're going to react to form new molecules. And as they form new bonds, energy is released. And you can see this much energy from here to here has been released. So more energy has been released when forming the bonds in the products than was needed to break the bonds in the reactants. Very wordy, but remember this because it will get you all marks. You must talk about energy and bonds. If you were describing endothermic reactions, you simply change more here to less, and obviously this to endothermic.